Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Turn off the headphones using the power switch on the right ear cup. If the device feels unresponsive, leave it powered off for 30 seconds. Charge the headphones for at least 2 hours if battery is below 10%. While charging, inspect the USB-C cable and port for debris or damage. After charging, power the headphones on and check whether sound, ink, or controls respond normally. If issues continue, proceed to the factory reset steps I will explain next. Place the headphones on a flat surface and locate the power button on the right ear cup. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the Bluetooth light blinks blue. Continue holding until the light flashes amber and white, then release to trigger the factory reset. The reset clears paired devices and restores factory settings instantly. Wait for the LED to show a solid white or blue status before attempting to pair again. If the LED behavior differs, repeat the hold sequence once more. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and open the Bluetooth settings menu. Put the headphones into pairing mode by powering on and waiting for the white blinking LED. Select Bose QC45 from the available devices list to complete pairing within 60 seconds. Play a short audio clip at medium volume to test left and right channels. Toggle noise canceling modes to confirm ANC works and buttons respond. If the app prompts for a firmware update, accept it and keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.